Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docents DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about the history of the hot dog. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Did the hot dog originate in the United States? No. It originated in Germany with the Frankfurter. Was the first hot dog stand introduced by Charles Feltman in 1871? Yes, he served sausages and buns on Coney Island. Did the term hot dog come from a cartoonist? Yes, Tad Dorgan popularized the term in the early 1900s. Is Nathan's famous associated with Chicago-style hot dogs? No, Nathan's Famous started on Coney Island, New York. Were hot dogs introduced to America by French immigrants? No, they were brought by German immigrants. Do Americans eat hot dogs only at baseball games? No, they enjoy them at barbecues, fairs, and many other events. Is a Chicago-style hot dog topped with ketchup? No, it's topped with mustard, onions, relish, tomatoes, and pickles. Was Nathan Handwerker the founder of Nathan's Famous? Yes, he opened his first stand in 1916. Are hot dogs only eaten in New York City? No, they're enjoyed all across the United States. Do all hot dogs have the same toppings across the country? No. Different regions have their own unique variations. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.